wish people could see him as I see him, and as thousands of people see him. And you know, I always loved the time someone said to George, how can you run for president? You don't have any constituency. And George said, well, you know, I've got a great big family and thousands of friends. And that's what he has.
For more than 40 years, George Bush has met every challenge his country and the world have offered up to him. The truth is, the more you learn about George Bush, the more you realize that perhaps no one in this century is better prepared to be President of the United States.